Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Animea, Juan Animea on AVS video editor 9.9. So all you have to do is open this app, download this app from the website. So you can use a samples. This is from library. So you can practice video editing in this app. I took this video sample, and also you can use video effect on here. This is for example, you can drag a background blur for example here, and try here. Let's see how is the difference. This is like background blur doesn't affect anything. You can change another effect by delete the background here for example. Here this is like pan and zoom. So you can practice yourself in this video editing. Uses the AVS video editor on your Windows or on your MacBook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.